It made me consider the space like a wari tangata, like a womb space, or like an initial house of learning where I could really pull people into a kind of maybe an in-between space, like something similar to like going into a church or somewhere where you feel like you're in the veil or in a thin place between the physical and spiritual world.
Ka tō kia ngā pakitara o te pātaka toi o Whanganui e ngā ringa o a Nauri.
This feels very cosmic, and it feels like I am sort of wrapped in the manifestation of lots of people's dreams for me.
Ka wakaritea a Jade Townsend o te awa tipua o Whanganui nei, I tōna wakatiranga tuatahi ki te taone, mai I tōna hokinga mai I tā wāhi.
We ended up moving to the UK when I was 14, and art became that connection, that bridge home, and a lot of my homesickness and my yearning and my exploration of identity and my identity crisis was happening in the art room at high school.
To have her come in with these beautiful paintings, really special, and I just get to do the fun bit. She's done all the hard work.
E tautoko ana a Cecilia Kumeroa I ngā ringa toi Māori ki te wakātu I o rātou pūkenga ki ngā uri ake o te awa tipua nei.
I saw some early works of hers and she's multidisciplinary, so this was exciting to see her painting as well. But the process and the techniques, as you can see, she's put a lot of work and thought into this, and it's really special.
This is the most important audience to ever engage with my practice. I've shown in London, America and China, all around the world, but it's home people this time, and it's a show that's been made specifically for people who are from here or live here.
Kua mahi ngātahi a Jade ki a Cecilia ki te hanga ia From the Lion's Mouth, tōna wakatiranga e kōrero ana ki te mana Māori o te wāhine.
My focus was making the work to fit the space, so it is a site-specific show. And because it has this amazing, it's like a controlled space, so we can do what we want with the lighting, with the sound, with the walls, kind of like divinely feminine space as well.
It's a divergent way of making art too, so you can bring in multiple narratives and her different sides of her whakapapa, which I think is exciting. And it's really good for our people to see there's multiple ways that artists express themselves.
E manako nui ana te tokorua nei ki te tākiri I te pito mata o ngā tamariki rangatahi o te kāinga ki te mahi pēnei.
The purpose is to make sure that our people are seen, our artists are seen, to have a place that reflected us, to be responsible back to our awa.
I hope that when tamariki come in, they know that they've got a unique perspective that will add to the kind of like disco ball of the Māori experience.
Ka Te Whare te wakatiranga nei ki te ware o Rehua I Whanganui mai tēnei wiki tainua ki te 10 wā o Pipiri. Te kakinga Kawiti Bashara, Tai Uru News.